Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In the previous video, we learned what engine sludge is and why it's dangerous. In this part, we'll focus on prevention. Here are the key steps to keep your engine clean and sludge-free. Impact of fuel quality and additives on engine sludge. While we often focus on engine oil when talking about sludge, the fuel you put in your tank also plays a big role. The quality of your fuel, and the additives it contains, can directly influence how clean your engine stays. This, in turn, affects how much sludge builds up over time. Low-quality fuel and incomplete combustion. Have you ever wondered if the cheap gas is really saving you money in the long run? Fuels that don't meet proper quality standards can be a hidden cause of engine sludge. This often comes down to their octane rating or the presence of impurities. When fuel quality is poor, it can lead to incomplete combustion. This means the fuel doesn't burn fully in the engine cylinders. What's left behind? Soot. Tiny carbon particles that result from unburnt fuel. Unburnt hydrocarbons. Fuel particles that didn't ignite. These byproducts directly contaminate your engine oil. Once mixed with the oil, they accelerate its breakdown and contribute to the formation of sticky, harmful sludge. It's like adding dirt to a fresh paint can. It changes the quality of the paint. The benefits of detergent and dispersant additives in fuel. Not all fuels are created equal. High-quality fuels often contain special additives designed to keep your engine cleaner. These are typically detergents and dispersants. Think of them as tiny cleaning agents working within your fuel system. Here's how these additives help prevent sludge. Keeping injectors clean. Detergents prevent deposits from forming on fuel injectors. Clean injectors spray fuel more efficiently, leading to better, more complete combustion. Cleaning combustion chambers. Dispersants help keep combustion chambers free of carbon buildup. A cleaner burn means fewer harmful byproducts. When combustion is more complete, fewer contaminants end up in your engine oil. This indirectly but significantly reduces the amount of soot and unburnt fuel that can contribute to oil sludge. Choosing good quality fuel is an easy step you can take to keep your engine cleaner from the inside out. Preventing sludge buildup in your vehicle. Keeping engine sludge at bay in your vehicle is simpler than you might think. It really comes down to informed choices and consistent habits. While modern engines and oils are more advanced, your actions still play a major role in preventing this sticky problem. Let's look at the key steps you can take to keep your engine clean and running smoothly. Adhering to manufacturer recommended oil change intervals. The most important step in preventing sludge is following your vehicle's oil change schedule. Your car's manufacturer rigorously tests to determine the best intervals. Even with synthetic oils, which offer superior protection, those intervals are there for a reason. Modern engines run hotter and have tighter tolerances, stressing the oil even more. If you often drive in demanding conditions like short trips, extreme temperatures, or heavy towing, your vehicle is operating under severe service. This usually means you should change your oil more frequently than the standard recommendation. Many vehicles feature an oil life monitoring (OLM) system. This system isn't just a timer. It uses an algorithm that considers various factors. It looks at engine temperature, RPMs, vehicle speed, and even driving style to calculate the oil's remaining life. Generally, you can trust your OLM system. When it tells you an oil change is due, don't delay. It's designed to protect your engine. Choosing the right engine oil, specifications and viscosity. Selecting the correct engine oil is crucial. An oil that doesn't meet your manufacturer's specifications won't protect your engine as it should, leading to faster breakdown and sludge. Always check your owner's manual for the precise oil type. Here are the main things to look for. Type of oil. Your manual will specify if you need conventional, synthetic blend, or full synthetic oil. Most new vehicles, especially those with turbochargers or direct injection, require full synthetic oil due to its superior heat resistance and protective qualities. Viscosity grade. This is the number set, like 0W20 or 5W30. The W stands for winter, indicating how well the oil flows when cold. The second number shows its viscosity at operating temperature. Using the wrong viscosity can lead to insufficient lubrication or excessive drag, accelerating oil breakdown. API, ILSAC certifications. Look for symbols from the American Petroleum Institute, API, and the International Lubricant Standardization and Approval Committee, ILSAC, on the oil bottle. These certifications ensure the oil meets current industry standards for quality and performance, including protection against sludge and engine wear. Using the recommended oil ensures your engine receives the right lubrication and has the necessary additives to fight off sludge formation effectively. Regular engine maintenance beyond oil changes. Preventing sludge involves more than just oil changes. Several other routine maintenance tasks significantly contribute to a clean engine. Air filter replacement. A clogged air filter restricts airflow into your engine. This can lead to an improper air-fuel mixture and incomplete combustion. As we discussed, incomplete combustion creates soot and unburnt fuel that contaminate your oil and cause sludge. Replace your air filter according to your manufacturer's schedule. PCV valve inspection and replacement. The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, valve is often overlooked but plays a critical role. It vents harmful blow-by gases and moisture out of your engine's crankcase. If it gets clogged or malfunctions, these contaminants get trapped, greatly accelerating oil breakdown and sludge formation. Have your PCV valve inspected regularly and replaced if necessary. Addressing engine warning lights. Don't ignore check engine lights or other dashboard warnings. These lights often signal issues that, if left unaddressed, can impact your engine's internal environment and contribute to sludge. For example, a malfunctioning sensor could cause your engine to run rich, leading to more fuel dilution in the oil. What about engine flushes? An engine flush involves adding a chemical cleaner to your oil before an oil change to dissolve deposits. While they can remove some sludge, they also carry risks. They can dislodge large chunks of sludge, potentially clogging oil passages. For a consistently maintained engine, regular oil changes with the correct oil are usually sufficient. If you suspect severe sludge, consult a trusted mechanic before considering a flush. Driving habits to minimize sludge formation. Your driving style also impacts sludge buildup. Simple adjustments can make a big difference in keeping your engine clean internally. Avoid excessive idling. Letting your engine idle for extended periods, especially in cold weather, prevents it from reaching its optimal operating temperature. As we've learned, this promotes condensation buildup and acid formation in the oil, both major contributors to sludge. Allow the engine to reach optimal operating temperature. Short trips are notorious for causing sludge. Your engine needs to get hot enough for a sufficient amount of time to burn off condensation and harmful contaminants in the oil. If your daily commute is short, consider combining errands to allow for longer drives. Occasionally take longer drives to burn off moisture and contaminants. Periodically taking your vehicle on a longer drive, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes at highway speeds, is beneficial. This allows the engine to get thoroughly hot. The sustained heat helps evaporate any accumulated moisture and burns off other volatile contaminants from the oil, preventing them from turning into sludge. Engine sludge in vehicles is a real concern, stemming from factors like oil breakdown, high temperatures, short trips, and combustion byproducts. Modern engine designs, fuel quality, and PCV systems also play a role. Preventing sludge means being proactive. Stick to oil change schedules, use the right oil, perform regular maintenance, and adapt your driving habits. Prioritizing these steps will help you extend your engine's life and keep your vehicle performing its best. Make engine health a priority to protect your investment for the long haul. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.